So you can see that we are looking at each set is attributes content. So if there is spell, then please assign the attributes content to this variable. Otherwise, assign a empty string. Okay. Then just write a comment like get the content default to empty string. So and now you only know that we have a wrapper attributes here. This is get block wrapper attributes, and the work for the task of this get block wrappers attributes function is that it assigns all the necessary class IDs to the div tag, so we can style it, and it is also gonna just make sure that all the default styling for the plugins and get applied to the block. So we have to make, but we're going to make sure that our plugin is accessible with those accessibility tags, and it is very important. And so we are going to add a role and a variable. So we have to just modify the function a little bit, just add an array there. So what we're going to do, we're going to just declare a wrapper attributes. Why we have the wrap syntax error? I don't know what it's about. We have the semicolon. Okay, well, I think it will just go away. Get block wrapper attributes. Then we have array, and make sure we have the semicolon. So get block wrapper attributes, and as you said that we're going to add array there, and we will add role and to be note. So in case the screen reader read that notice, it will know that it's in a note, and it will just say that blind person that there is a note, and then it will read the rest. So the person who is using the screen reader will know, yeah, okay, we just had the note. So variable, it is just a label on the screen reader, and it will be style call out. So there we go. Let's make sure end the PHP mode here. So now we're going to add the HTML. So in the HTML, and we have to now go to the PHP mode and call the wrapper attributes. Then add a p tag. The p tag. Now PHP mode again, then echo, then content. We are going to output the content, whatever would be in the block.json file, but remember that from the backend hit file we're going to manipulate that block.json file by the attribute and set attribute by the React. So then we're going to manipulate the content attribute in from the edit.js file. In the block.js file, it is going to show the edited value here itself. So the attributes we have, and make sure we use the WXS post, because it is going to wrap all the like HTML tags or script, any unnecessary thing. It would be for safety. WPKSS post, and some cases post. Okay, it's fine. Make sure we have a comment here. So, or you should say build the wrapper with accessibility text wrapper with accessibility text. So we have the render.php file ready, so let's commit it. What should we name this commit? I'm thinking, well, just say edit. So we just committed the message. We named the message, we just added some code to the render.php file and we commit it, and now we just click the sync changes, and it is now pushing the code into GitHub repo. So it can take some time. So it is now. Let's see. Here you can see the source. Added the code to the render.php file, and this is good. Okay, make sure your RMP system running. It is running. Okay, good. So render.php is completed. Now we're going to add it.js file. So yeah, it's already .js file. There's a lot of thing going on. We don't want that. So we're going to just delete all that. Now for this file, we're going to use the which block props, components, and which test. We will also make sure that file is translatable also, like the placeholder. So we're going to import, then curly bracket, then from WordPress block editor. Then we're going to import another thing, import voice block props, and it is automatically showing the block editor, which is right, but I think the translatable thing that underscore should be from the i18n. Okay. Also from block editor, we're going to import the rich text. Rich text. Okay, fine. Now we're going to have to declare the function export default function and add attributes here and set attributes. So here we just declare a function. It is the main function, so is the default, and export that. It can export to the index.js file. So I think the attributes is short typo there. So in this function, we just pass a attributes and set attributes in a curly bracket, and so make sure that we are going to have the attributes and set attributes function read. So this is attributes and attributes. It is object is structuring, and now we are going to declare a variable, and we will say object is structuring again, and is the attributes. Attributes. Then also we props. We also assigned this function to this variable. Now we'll do the return and make sure we close the semicolon. Now in the return, we have to set the HTML part and make some room. Then we'll put the rest operator on block props. Okay, now we are going to call the rich text. For the rich text, we are going to have a tag name XAMPP and value, which will be from the content this variable, and this is going to hold the value from the blog.json file. So it will be content. Then so in case we are change the values, what we're going to do, so on the on change, we have a property there on change then we have this, so we're going to catch the new value, and we are going to manipulate, assign the new value with this set attribute set where attributes and content are going to declare the object and send the new value from here. Okay, now so make sure you have a comma. So now we're going to have the placeholder. This is not necessary because we already have the default value from the blog.json file, but since we import this this function for translation, let's do that. So go to the JavaScript mode, then I declare the function type your callout message. Yeah, and now we're going to say style. So make sure what is the text domain. I forget. It was this text and it was callout and alert box. Okay, so let's paste it here. Callout and alert box. So that's it. We have this file completed. So we'll make a comment here. So add photo edit.js file commit sentence. It would take some time to push the code to the GitHub repo. So now we have the all the render.php file for the front end. We just fix for the back end, but we don't have the CSS. So now we're going to work with the CSS now. And in order to do that, we have to go to the style.css file. Let's do the all default styling, and we will now style the block. So let's see if this is completed. It is taking time. I don't know why it is taking time. Maybe okay, this is not completed. I think let's see it in the GitHub repo. Let's refresh that. There's 3 commits. So I did go to the okay. This it has been it has pushed the code. This code, and now so I may have some internet issue. I don't know. It is taking too much time to just push the code to the GitHub repo. So now in the CSS file, let's just proceed. We have to just design that, and so in order to do that, let's make a comment. And sorry, again, sorry. 50. I don't know how to. Let's set a comment. You will base block style. So sorry. Then after this comment, we have to declare a style, and style ID will be WP block. Then then our namespace. Then the callout box actually. So in order to do that, we have some style for the actually we have the block for the render.php file, which is responsible for front end, and we have the edit.js file which is responsible for the back end. But we have a common class there that we can target and just write style.cs one time, and it will target the block on the front end as well as the block in the back end also. So the ID will be the wp-block. It is common. Then what will come next? We have to go to the main main page where it is called dash and alert box. Then we can see that there is a name that cloud box, callout, alert box. Then we have to just make sure to copy that. Sorry, it's coming to my just copy that and copy that till the box. So now go to the style.cs file and paste it. So alert box. Okay, it is common on the front end and as well as the back end. So we are going to add the style padding 0.5 rem, then border radius, the radius will be px, then background color background color would be hashtag is 7 f5 ff. Then the border left 5px, call it hashtag 228 b6. Since we are using the SAS, then we can nest text. So this make a p and star, and margin should be 0, and font size should be 1.1 rem. Then we want to use the percent and its style info. Remember, we had some classes that was injecting because we defined some style in JSON format in the blog.json file. So it will be background. So we're getting those classes and just adding CSS now. So it will be same E7 F5 FF, and border left color would be 228 B6. Then again, so let's copy this and just paste it 2 times more because we have 3 button, and it would be success CSS success 2. Then it would be warning, and so the success background color would be EBF BEE. So F 40C057 here B if 9 dB. Also here and we if AB005. So we have our style.scss completed. And now go to the terminal, make sure the npm start is working. Since we are just working on the CSS, we want to quit this, and again start the npm start so it can compile the file again. It is a good practice actually. And now go to the production side and refresh that. So it may take some time. So we have this log deleted. Now import our plugin. It will be Callout developer. Here is the megaphone, and here we can see here's the notice, but we can see there is a problem. The CSS is not applying here, so we have to check that deeply. What could be the issue? Go to the style.scss file. Let's see that deeply. What could be the issue here? .scss blog.json just make it a comment, but where it's CSS, and here's CSS for the block, and so let's see that again. Style warning, this style warning, style. But this is not applying. So let's see if the front end is okay. So it is possible that the style is getting applied to the front end, but no, it is not getting applied to the front end as well. So there could be the issue. Let's look at. Actually, I was able to find the issue, and the issue was that there is a dash would be we actually inserted the underscore and it was wrong. So make it a dash only, and also there is a space we don't want. If something came into my art. Well, let's save it and go to the terminal, then npm start again, and now we go to the production website. Let's refresh that, and here we go. Here is our style. It is working now. So save it, and on the front end we can see the style as well. So here was the video, and hope you like that. And in the next video we're going to make a WordPress plugin with object-oriented programming, and it would be a wizard role management plugin. We'll know how to create a custom wizard name, custom wizard role, and how we can give it a different kinds of capability what it should do. So till then, bye bye.